Welcome to the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport, the most utilitarian vessel on the market today. It is a classic Boston Whaler with a foam-filled hull. It's completely fiberglass, and it is the perfect boat for you to use as a runabout, as a dinghy, or for the kids or the grandkids to just tool around in. It's super, super rugged and durable. Another thing about the 130 Super Sport, it's very customizable. So, as you see the boat here, we have the windshield, we have a bimini, and we have a bow rail. These are things that would come from the factory. When it comes to equipment that we can add at the dealer, up in the bow, we can add a bow cushion. We'll install the snaps for you. You can get a cooler that is placed inside of a bracket so it isn't sliding around, and we can get a cooler cushion to go on top of that to make an extra seating space as well. When it comes to the bench, we can have several different options. We can have the sport bucket seats. We can have folding captain's chairs. We can have a single one-piece unit. Or you can just get very simple, just cushions right on there as well. So if you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport, just give us a call or come on down to check out the boat in person, and we'd love to help you out. We'll see you out on the water.